Assalamu alaikum audience. So today I will discuss lecture number 75. So I have collected all these vocabulary from Dawn newspaper. So these vocabulary will help you in CSS, PMS, MPT and many more competitive examinations. So the first one is aberration. So its meaning deviation or abnormality. Next one, abstruse. So difficult to comprehend, difficult to understand. Next one, acumen, zahanat, sharpness of mind. Next one, adroit, skillful. Next one, adulation. Adulation meaning worship and to praise someone to great praise. Next one, advocate. Advocate meaning is support. Next one, affability. So kabiliyat, cordiality or friendliness. Next one, affinity. Affinity meaning kinship. Next one, affluence. Affluence meaning opulence or wealth. Next one, agnostic. Agnostic meaning someone who is unsure of the existence of God, someone who deny God. Next one, alacrity. So its meaning speed and eagerness. Another meaning promptness. Next one, alleviate. Alleviate meaning is to reduce, to make less severe. Next one, altruism. So self sacrifice, jazba, benafsi, just like military personals. So these people have altruistic tendencies or personality. Abdus Sattar Eidi in Pakistan, one of the example, like many more. Next one, amalgam. Amalgam meaning is mixture, a combination of different things. Next one, amassed. So accumulated. Next one, ameliorate. So to make better, to improve. Next one, amiable. So amiable meaning is friendly, lovable. Next one, anachronistic. So something which is out of normal time range. Next one, animosity. Animosity meaning is hostility, hatred, ill will. Next one, apathetic. So lacking energy or interest. Next one, arable. So something which is suitable for cultivation or something which can be cultivated. Next one, arbitration. So mediating between disputing sides, just like Security Council or International Court of Justice, or simply we can say United Nations. Next one, arboreal. So something which is living in trees or something which is relating to trees. Next one, arcane. So something which is obscure or known only to few people. Next one, archaic. So old fashioned, obsolete, outdated, old fashioned. Next one, articulation. So articulation meaning joining. Another meaning of articulation is some speaking clearly. Someone who have a strong oratory skills, or someone who is eloquent, or speaking clearly. So so simply we can say articulation. Next one, a certain. So find out, make sure. Next one, astute. So the meaning of astute is wise, mentally sharp, genius. Next one, augment. So the meaning of augment is izapa karna, increase in size or number. Next one, oral. So something which is sensed through sense of, just like human have five senses. So one of the sense is of hearing. Next one, autocrat. So absolute ruler or dictator, just like Saddam Hussein or Ziaul Haq in Pakistan. Next one, autonomy. Autonomy mean self government, just like Pakistan having four federating unit and each province or each unit having autonomous government. Next one, barrage. So it's having a different meaning and different context. One of the meaning is bombardment. Another meaning is which is related to dam or barrier. Another meaning stream, and the last one is continuous attack, just like barrage of fire. So continuous attack or continuous fire, so simply we can say a barrage. So it's all for today, and if you people have any questions, so ask freely and stick to down times for more videos and updates. Good luck.